That one, yeah, grab them. That one, yeah, grab them.
Hey, what's up? What's happening? What's going on? Wagwan and hola. I am Tiffany and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hey. If you're not, what's up? It's about 6 o'clock in the morning on Tuesday, August 11th, and I am headed to the airport to go to, can anybody guess? Jamaica. Hello. About to go to Jamaica. I'm taking y'all along with me. I love to document all of my trips, so let's go. I am waiting on my shuttle to arrive. Here's all my luggage. Carry on, that one.
You didn't send it, you said on it. I sent it. Oh, no. Oh, my God.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. Just want to taste KFC for our trip. Oh. Yeah. Because at home, it would be like $30. Yeah.
Man can go chill out, get a room, chill, find a bar, get a nice trip.
Sometimes we be doing on the road a lot.
This is the view from the room. On the top floor. And it looks so beautiful. Oh my God. Good morning. Good morning. It is Wednesday, August 12th.
What am I gonna do with my mom? She into everything. Everything she see for Facebook.
Everything she want.
She try.
She want everything. I said.
Oh, it's just a swing. I thought you were doing the zip line.
Oh no. You wanna do the zip line?
I'm good.
Oh no.
Is this recording already?
Yeah, it's recording.
It's already recording?
It should be. Hopefully it is. Okay, I think that's good. Do the move.
Same shirt. Y'all played this?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So why are you acting surprised?
All right. Happy birthday. This is Kamala. Oh. Thank you. Is this a surprise? Yeah. You in it too? You in it? Mom, I wrote a book about you. 64-year birthday.
Over here, over here.
Ooh, this is good lobster. This looks good. Yummy. Hola.
Ready?
Yes.
Uh-oh. Oh, God.
Wagwan!
Come on.
Are your birthday today now?
Yes, man.
Make you have piece of the lobster.
Ooh, that looks yummy. Look at that.
See we chunky.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Lobster.
Birthday, I'm a friend. One more year by now.
Good morning. It is Thursday, August 13th, and it's about 8 a.m. Beautiful outside right now. I've been up since like 6:30. I'm just kind of chilling. Yesterday was a good day. We got breakfast, went to the flying dress location up on a hill, a big hill. That was cool. My mom asked me if I wanted to do it, but I wasn't really in the mood to do it. But it came out really cute for her. It was nice. What else we did? We rode around town for a good part of the day. Oh, we got like some spring water from like this little creek on the side of the road, and got some spring water. And I actually drank some, but I didn't get any footage of me drinking it. Side of the road, pull over, some fresh water. We trusted the driver. That's what he said. And
Natural spring water that.
Natural spring, room temperature.
Yeah, man.
We're up on share. Yes, it's on them. America can't beat us out there no time.
And the best water for you now.
Look at himself. Look. Oh. Done after what? That's it.
After me.
Yeah, tastes like you know the alkaline. Like you know
Natural.
Natural. Yeah, tastes like.
Natural.
Yeah, that's taste kind
nice
of
and
different.
cool.
Now the alkaline.
got some mangoes on the side of the road. My mom got some crabs on the side of the road. Just kind of chilling, vibing. What else? Then came back to the resort, kind of chilled here, got some lunch. Long story short, went to my mom's birthday, her first birthday dinner. We have another one on Saturday, but her birthday dinner at this cool restaurant. It was on a beach. It was really pretty. Food took a long time to come out, but it was good.
Everybody upstairs.
Everybody go upstairs.
Yeah, we need a picture all around.
Today we're doing rafting, blue hole, and we're going to some fish place later on this evening. So, yes.
Overtime, guarantee.
Your mom is stop.
We never see my work on the road in a night. That's probably like some Chinese site. Chinese man site where they own yeah, they work throughout the night.
Corey, Gucci. Hey.
My door. I know niggas ain't got money, but these niggas wanna beef. Niggas can't even compare, but these niggas wanna compete. They know I say you're tired, but you're honest secret. I'm cool if you tell say you get wet. Your man nothing knows say you get wet. She will hustling ability, we learn that I
Okay, so I'm in the lobby. I have not been updating y'all. I'm so sorry, but I'm about to go to another birthday dinner at Sharky's on the beach. It's gonna be a fire show. The colors is white tops and blue jeans. So I have on a white top, the blue jeans. Hold on now. Oh, that's cute. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to comment down below, leave a thumbs up for me please, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend, and I will see y'all next time. Later.
That one, yeah, grab them. That one, yeah, grab them.